Hello, this is Steve Sedangelo once again from the SRS Rocket Report, and I'm glad you're joining me. Today, I'm going to talk about the big change in silver and why I believe we're in the new bull market for silver. All right, let's get started. Now, about a week and a half ago, I posted an article including this chart. It's a daily chart of silver. It shows this ascending triangle. That's silver. Here's the top part, and then here we can see silver's moving up. And I said that silver needs to break above this 1975 level, or it could be a double top. And that is exactly what we saw. Once silver broke above this 1975, and again, this is on a daily chart, that 1975 level, we saw it went up about $4. Now, we could see that silver is consolidating right here. This means it's consolidating after a large run up. It may continue higher to the next level at 2750. Now, I'm recording this right before the open of Asian trading on Sunday. We don't know how the markets are going to trade with silver, but if there's going to be more momentum with the traders, we could see it push up to that next level of 2750. And we can see that in this monthly chart. And this monthly chart goes back all the way to 2000. And we've got the 5 levels here, and 14 was a resistance level until it broke above it, and we could see it remained that all the way. Now, on a monthly chart, I said for several months that 1850 was very important on a monthly. We could see for more than a year, silver remained below it. Once it finally broke above it, it shot above the 1850, and it even went above the next level, which is 21. And right now it's trading at 22.85 as of the close of Friday. Now, if we do get more momentum, we could see silver actually continue up to this 2750 level. But what's really important for silver to stay in this new bull market, which I believe it is, it must close above the $21 level at the end of July to remain in the bull market. This candlestick should close at the highs, or near the highs. If it comes all the way down and closes right here, and there's this long candlestick coming all the way down, that's not such a positive, but I do believe it will. So, and the reason why I say that has to do with these next two charts. Now, these are three different periods. The first period goes back to the middle of December, let's say the second week of December, beginning of the second week, and it goes to the first week of January 2020. In that 4-week period, silver went up $1.25. Now, I'll show you why these periods are important. Now, in May this year, silver went up $2.40 in 3 weeks. And then in this third period, which is the last week, silver jumped $3.60. Now, again, this is on Tuesday. That's the COT. That's the reporting period ends on Tuesday, so it does not include that second surge of another $1.50 on Wednesday. But if we look at the next chart, I'll show you why it's important. It's the COT report for silver. What we have here, each of these bars, this area represents a week, and these red dark bars represent the commercial net short positions. And as the silver price increases, they increase the short positions. And in that 4-week period, the silver price went up $1.25, and the commercials added 32,000 net short positions. Now here in May, in the 3-week period, it increased $2.40, but the net short positions only went up 18,000. Now what's interesting, in this last week, the silver price jumped $3.60, but the net short positions only went up about 1,800. Now again, if we go back here, again, it ends right here, but still, that was a large run-up. You would think we would see a higher net short position. We have to wait to see the next week what happens with this larger increase on Wednesday. But again, I was looking to see if this would jump. We would see a large increase. Now, what's interesting, back in 2010, 9, 10, and 11, as the silver price went up from 15 to 50, and a large part of it, we didn't see a huge increase in the net short positions. So again, I believe this is a very positive sign. If next week on the COT report, I will put out a new update. If we don't see a large increase, then I believe the silver is indeed in a new bull market. Now, another indicator, this is the Gold Eagle versus Silver Eagles premiums from mid-March to July 17th. So it's about a week old before this run-up. But before the global contagion, a 1 ounce Gold Eagle premium, and this is based on Monex, it was $62 per coin. And then during the peak, when we had the shutdowns of the refineries, the U.S. Mint, it was $127. But as of July 17th, it's increased a bit, not much, but it was $68. So it almost came back to normal. However, with silver, the Silver Eagles, it was $2.10 in mid-March before the global contagion hit. And then it shot up to $5.75. And even though it's come down, it's still it's near its highs. Now, if you go to my website, which I'll show you in a minute, I discussed some of the leading online dealers. Their premiums are even higher. So for some reason, there is a difficulty in getting Silver Eagles, and because the demand is so high, the premiums are still very high. And what's interesting, this is the U.S. Mint Gold Eagle versus Silver Eagle sales from July to the 23rd, 1 month, or let's say 3.5 weeks. They sold 77,500 ounces of Gold Eagles compared to 623,500 Silver Eagles. Now, back in March, the U.S. Mint sold 5.4 million Silver Eagles. So they're still having difficulty now acquiring the silver blanks to produce the Silver Eagles. And I've heard that due to the high premium, a lot of investors are switching over to the Silver Krugerrands, the Britannias, the Maples, even the Philharmonics. So this is an issue, but I still believe we're having shortages in the silver bullion products. Now, I continue to put updates about this, and if you go to the srsrockerreport.com website, putting out about 5 articles a week. You should check out this article here, Chart of the Week, Silver Eagle premiums on the rise again in the last 3-4 days. And if you have not yet subscribed to the SRS Rocker Report YouTube channel, please consider doing so. So again, I think because of the positive things I'm seeing in the market, I do believe as silver has now over 21, I've been saying that for a year now, once it gets above 21 and stays above it, we are in a new bull market for silver. Well, thank you very much, and please check my new updates coming in the next few days. Thank you.